Right, hi guys. Today I've got hopefully an iWorks Cube, iWorks 10. It's just been delivered. I think the post office must have put it somewhere where it was rather hot, because the package is scorched a bit, but hopefully nothing inside is damaged. That's nothing to do with Banggood, I can't blame them for that. Let's have a look what we've got anyway. Right. Okay. Examined by customs. Right, that explains why I had to pay extra when it was delivered. It's the first time I've actually had to pay anything. I've been very lucky up to now. So customs have been into it. That's interesting. Right. Okay. Right, so I've got the original box, which is a nice surprise. I was rather hoping for that. There we go. So what have we got? That's the tablet. Knock it out. Let's just put the tablet to one side. Have a look what else we've got in the box. Right. Have what appears to be a USB 3 cable to a standard mini USB-C plug, and the OTG, standard OTG cable. I'm missing something. There should be a charger. No charger. Interesting. Oh well. Oh dear, not to worry. Right. Have a look. There we go. So I don't know if it's got any charge on it or not. I've already got a screen protector on, but I'm going to have to. Obviously, I'm going to have to take that off with this corner piece on. I'm a bit reluctant to take that off. Is there another? I think there is actually another proper screen protector under that. Yeah, it would appear so. Yeah, I'm pretty. Yeah, I don't want to peel away too hard. Yeah, I'm certain there's a proper screen protector underneath this. I've actually got another protector on order, so that shouldn't be any hassle. Let's have a look. How do we turn it on? Oh, it's there. Okay, so a small button there. Let's see if there's any battery, any juice left in it. I haven't got a charger, which is going to be interesting. Got a drawer full of chargers, so that's not a big problem. Right, so we've got a Chinese logo come up. And Android or Windows. So what should we select? Android, I think. Okay. Talk to yourselves. Here we go. Android is starting apps. Right, there we are. Well, that didn't take too long to boot into Android. 67% battery. So I've received it with 67% battery. Let's just go. Hold the button. Let's just reboot. Okay. And we'll try the Windows. Is it going to come back on? Am I going to have to push the button again? I'm going to have to push the button again. No, I've got nothing. Interesting. Ah, there is life. We started from scratch again. Oh right, we've gone back into Android again. I didn't want to do that. Let's power it off completely. Right. Okay. Try again. Right. Windows this time. Okay. Here we go. Cube, welcome. Right, standard Windows 10 welcome screen. And there we are. Now it's booted up. I've got a couple of windows. Well, there's 3 windows there in 3 window icons in Chinese. I'm just wondering now. I've got to actually set it up into English, I suppose. Language, time zone. It's all set up in Chinese. I think I'll leave that for now. I'll get back to that later. It's just a case of going through all the menus, changing the time and region where I am, and just basically setting it all up. At least the menus arrived all in English, so I can tackle that. That's not a great issue. Right, well there we are. That's that for today. I'll get back with a proper review when I've accustomed myself to all its functions. Okay, well if you enjoyed what you've seen here, please subscribe to the channel, and that's all for now. Talk to you again. Bye.